How to share your Excel document as a link to WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your Microsoft Excel document as a link to WhatsApp directly. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Excel and choose the document that you want to share. For example, I'm going to choose this one and go to the top right here, click on this little icon, and now you will find this page. Go to share as a link option and click on edit link and choose WhatsApp right here, and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and don't forget to check the other Excel videos to learn more about Microsoft Excel app. See you later.